Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make paper dice. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is what the paper dice will look like when you have finished, so I'm just going to take this apart right here and I'm going to show you how to make it. Now you want to start off with a square sheet of paper. It can be any size, but obviously the bigger that the square is, the bigger that the dice will end up being. I'm just using this sticky tab right here, but you can use any square sheet of paper that you want. You want to start off by finding the center of the sheet of paper. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to bend it in half to find the center. I'm trying not to make it stick. We'll try it the other way. But you want to find the center. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, but you do want it to be done really well. The more precise that your folds are, the better that it will look at the end. So now that you've found the center, whether you folded it in half like I did, or you've just measured and marked it off, you want to fold either side to that center line. So I'm just folding both sides to the center line, as you can see right here, just like that. Like I said, the more precise that your folds are, the better that it will end up. Okay, now we need to find the other center over here. So I'm going to fold it in half, just as you can see right here. Okay, and now we have our crease mark. We're going to fold both sides to that center now. So we're going to fold this side to that center right there, and then this side to that center right there. Okay, we now have this that we've created right here. Now we actually need 6 of these. Now luckily I've already made 6 of them, so you don't have to sit through me making 5 more of them. So here we have these 6 folded pieces that we've just made, and I'm going to explain to you how to put them together. I've seen a lot of tutorials that demonstrate it, but not many of them actually explain it. So follow along. Okay, very simple. You're going to start off by holding one of these to your left, as you can see right there. Okay, then what we're going to do is I'm going to take another one. I'm tucking it into the top. So this little flap at the end is getting tucked into the top. It should be a nice, relatively tight fit if you folded it nicely. So you can see right there, I tucked it into the top. Once again, I just took it, and we're going to be tucking them in like this, just like that. Tuck it into the top, okay? It's okay if it's a little bit loose throughout the process, because at the end, we're going to squish it all together and make it look good. Then we're going to look at the side that's facing us right here. So I'm going to take another one, and with the side that's facing me, which is right here, I'm going to tuck it in over here on the top of this side, okay? Now, like I said, it's going to be a relatively tight fit, and it should be. So we're just going to tuck that in right there. Now we're going to rotate it, get the opposite side of the one that we just worked on, okay? And I'm going to tuck another piece in right over here. So this is like the top over here that we're working with, and now we're on the other side, so we're going to just tuck it in like this. So once again, like I said, go slowly and carefully, because if you apply too much pressure, the entire dice is just gonna, the entire die is gonna fall apart. Okay, so I tuck that in right there. Now we're gonna look for the side, because there's 2 sides left, this one and this one. We're gonna look for the side with both of the flaps. Okay, we're gonna tuck one into there. So here you can see we have a nice little opening right there. We're gonna tuck one in right over there, just like that. Okay, and last but not least is this side right here. Oops, sorry about that. Let's try that one more time. Last but not least is this side right here. And if I hold it, you can see that there's an opening here and here. We're going to tuck this last one in on both of those sides. So one side goes there, and then the other side is going to go over here. Carefully tuck it in. And then now, as you can see, all that we need to do is just sort of squish it all together like that. And we have made our dice. Okay, very simple. And then you can label it. And just a quick piece of advice, okay? The numbers that you are labeling on a die on opposite sides will add up to 7. So if I put a 1 over here, because I put the 1, oh, my pen doesn't seem to be working. If I put a 1 over here, there we go, there's a 1. On the opposite of that is going to be 6 to add up to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? If I go on this side and I put, let's say, a 3, okay, there's a 3. To add up to 7, on the other side, the opposite, I need to put a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then if I put a 2 on this side, just like that, okay, to add up to 7, I need to put a 5 on the opposite side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. You've created your paper dice. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.